it has been a roller coaster. It has been something. I'm going to be telling you guys some of the things that I have learned from being on YouTube for the past 2 years. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is LYDIA Magazine. If you are new here, thank you for stopping. If you are always coming back, do not forget to share, and if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe, stay with the fam, all that good stuff. From the title of this video, you can already see I'm going to be sharing some important lessons that I have learned over the past 2 years of being on YouTube. I cannot believe that it's been 2 years since I started YouTube, and it has been a ride. It has been a roller coaster. It has been something. I'm going to be telling you guys some of the things that I have learned from being on YouTube for the past 2 years. A little reintroduction. I do videos on a little bit of everything: beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, makeup, and self-development. So without no further ado, I'm going to get right into the video. So one of the first and most important lessons that I have learned on this my journey, because YouTube has been a journey. Listening to Patricia Bright speak, if you see the goals that she has for her channel, and this is someone that has millions of subscribers, so YouTube is a journey. One of the very important lesson, and the first lesson that I learned like in my first year or even in my first few months, was start as soon as possible. At that point I started to regret why I didn't start sooner, because I would have gone further than I am right now if I had started sooner, because this is something that I've always wanted to do, but I didn't just take it very seriously. So if you are watching and you want to start a YouTube channel, or you've had it in mind to start a YouTube channel, start as soon as possible. Like as you're watching this video, just start now. I urge everybody that comes to me that say they want to start a YouTube channel to start now, and I keep on messaging them, disturbing them, that they should start their YouTube channel right now. So it's something you are going to regret. Even if you start now, you're going to regret that you didn't start sooner. So that was something that I learned, and I'm trying to apply it in other areas of my life, where if I think about something, I just go, and I really like that lesson, because it has pushed me to do things that I've always wanted to do, and has pushed me to do them as soon as possible. So the next one that we're going to be talking about is celebrating your wins. Your big wins, your small wins. What you consider a small win is somebody's big win, and what you consider a big win is someone's small win. The world is unfair, but that's what it is. And I never used to be someone that used to celebrate my wins, but YouTube awakened something in me where I have screenshots of, I'll check if I can still find them. I have screenshots of 100 subscribers, 50 subscribers, but I got 50 subscribers on the first day that I opened my, first day that I announced my YouTube channel. It was so exciting, it was so huge to me, and now I'm here thinking that the number of subscribers I have now is not enough. I'm grateful for you guys, but we can do better. So what I'm trying to say is that I started to celebrate my wins, and they felt so it just made me grateful, more grateful for, I don't know. I awakened something in me, just like I was trying to say. It made me feel something new, appreciation. Yeah, that's what I'm going to call it. So celebrating my wins is something that YouTube has really taught me, and I've also carried this point into other areas of my life, where I try as much as possible to celebrate things that mean something to me. And the next point is to enjoy the process. Just like I said in the beginning of this video, YouTube has been a roller coaster. It has been a journey. I've cried because of YouTube before. I've been frustrated, I've been tired, I've been sad, I've been numb, I've been burnt out. I've had all the feels. YouTube is a journey, and it's best for you to enjoy the process, because I was listening to something, and you hear this saying that says that it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. That's what I'm just trying to say. So enjoy the process, enjoy the journey, every step of the way. Try to find something to enjoy. I know it's not easy, because I have been through it and I'm still going through it. So try to enjoy every process, every step of the way. Yeah, and this is something that I'm also moving on to other areas of my life, other aspects of my life, where I'm trying to enjoy the process as much as possible. Yeah, to be articulate, I said this in my first video. If you've not seen that video, definitely go and watch it. The video, my get to know me video, actually, one of the reasons I started YouTube was to become articulate. This is still in progress. I love articulate people. I love them so much, and this is something that I'm trying to be. I would say that when people meet me, and maybe I have discussions with people and I tell them that I want to be more articulate, they say that I am already, but I feel like it's something that I have to keep on working on. And YouTube has really helped me in the sense that I come on camera, I talk for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and I have to cut it short, take out the parts that I'm saying this, that, and I know I still have those filler words, but I would say that YouTube has really helped me improve my speech. So I'm grateful for that, and I'm happy to be working on that. The next lesson that YouTube taught me is to set goals. I mean, I'm someone that I never used to really set a goal. I mean, write it down, focus on it. I mean, I don't know how to explain it. Basically, I would say I want to achieve things, but I'll never really narrow my sight on them. But YouTube has made me, and I just started doing this of recent, where I'll say, okay, I want to get this number of subscribers this month, I want to post this amount of videos this month, all those kind of stuff. Basically, YouTube has really helped me to set goals, and I've taken it into other areas of my life. It is not easy, but it is worth it. So another thing that YouTube has taught me, and this is like a two-in-one thing, is consistency and discipline. If you are not a consistent person, YouTube will humble you. Like, it will humble you, because you will see your numbers dive down like this. And I know that see me that I'm talking, I've not posted a video in 3 weeks. Yes, in 3 weeks. And I mean, somehow for me, like, due to some technical issues, I've not posted videos. It's not like I'm slacking or anything, and it has made me stressed, I would say. It has stressed me a lot, but YouTube really taught me consistency. Over this past 2 years that I've been on YouTube, I have learned to say, okay, I'm posting. For the first year that I came on YouTube, I said I was going to be posting 2 videos per week, and I did that. I posted videos. I have about 130 videos on my channel now, and I did that. Yeah, I did that. That's what I'm just going to say. I did that. Yeah, so I know people that have started longer than me, and they do not have the number of videos that I have, and that's why my channel is doing, I'm not going to say relatively well, but my channel is doing well. I give God the glory. I give God the glory. Yeah. So my channel is doing well because I have been consistent in putting out videos. Apart from the 6 months break that I took, I have been consistent. And it has really taught me, you're supposed to film at this particular time, you're supposed to edit your videos, you're supposed to, so it's like I'm on a routine where I'm filming videos, editing videos, scripting videos. I'm doing all these things just to stay consistent, and even the steps that I'll take to post that video have been consistent. Another thing that he has taught me is discipline, where I say I have to post a video on Wednesday, I'm posting that video. I have to post a video on Sunday, I'm posting that video. So this is just what it has been for me. It has really taught me things. It has, I mean, just like I said, YouTube has been a journey, a beautiful one. So another thing that YouTube has taught me is patience. I mean, YouTube has taught me patience. So because I have been 2 years on YouTube, just like I've been saying in this video, ranting all, like, just screaming in this video, I'm 2 years on YouTube, and just look at where I am. I mean, YouTube will teach you that just because you plan things a certain way does not mean that they are going to come out the way that you want them to, or how you want them to, or when you want them to. Because there are sometimes that you've already uploaded a video on YouTube and you just come and you see copyright. I mean, this music is not supposed to have a copyright claim, but it has a copyright claim. You delete it, or maybe you start to upload it again and you are late for your upload day, or you are like, it's a crazy ride. It is a crazy journey. YouTube is a crazy journey. So it has taught me that things will not always go your way, and you have to be okay with it. If not, you are going to drive yourself crazy. The first YouTube video I uploaded, my god, I think it took me about 4 days or so. Like, I didn't know that YouTube upload takes that long. I don't know what was going on. Maybe I was doing something wrong, because it was like my first upload, but it wasn't going as planned. I had to push my release date, something like that. I had to push my launch date to another day because the video was not uploaded. I mean, there's nothing I could do about that. The video was ready, but it could not upload on time, and that was like the first time. So after then, I started to make changes in my schedule and how I would post the video so that they will be able to go up at a particular time. That was Wednesdays and Fridays that I used to post, but this year I've been posting once a week. I mean, I've been trying. Just like I said, I've not posted a video in 3 weeks just because of some technical issues that I cannot help. Like, I do not know what to do anymore. So this is one of the ways that YouTube would teach you that, okay, this thing you are trying to do, it might not go as planned, and you have to be okay with it. If not, you are going to go crazy. So that is just what it is. The next point I'm going to be speaking about is getting out of my comfort zone. I mean, YouTube really pushed me, really pushed me, because before I started YouTube, I used to just make beauty videos on Instagram, but here I am doing sit down videos, I'm doing vlogs, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. I have to position my camera here, I have to position my camera there, I have to take my camera out, I have to film outside. It has really pushed me out of my comfort zone. Videos that I never, I mean, I knew that I was going to be doing them, but God, it pushed me out of my comfort zone. That's what I'm just trying to say in essence. And it is such that, like, this one is such a beautiful one because I have really grown in so many ways. Editing, I have so many creative juices. My juices are flowing in so many directions, and I'm really grateful for that. I'm really grateful for the journey. Just like I said, YouTube is a beautiful, crazy roller coaster. It is everywhere. It is everywhere, and I'm really grateful, and I'm really emotional because it just got me reflecting back on my YouTube, going back to my old videos and stuff like that. Yeah, so these are the few things I've learned from being on YouTube for the past 2 years, and if there are any more or any more that I've left out, but these are the ones that have stood out to me over the past few months that I've been reflecting on making this video. So if there are any ones that I've left out, I'm going to be dropping them in my vlogs. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, if you are going to start your YouTube channel now, like this video, thank me in the comment section, leave a beautiful comment for me, an encouraging comment for me, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching.